Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Unlock your engine's full potential with Cataclean Fuel System Cleaner. Cataclean Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining your vehicle's fuel system. Its purpose: to deliver a thorough cleanse that effectively removes carbon deposits and other contaminants, ensuring optimal engine performance. By using Cataclean, you aren't just cleaning your fuel system, you're investing in the longevity of your vehicle. The benefits are clear: improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and overall better engine health. In this video, we dive into why Cataclean is an essential addition to your vehicle maintenance routine. Stay tuned to discover the ins and outs of this game-changing solution. What is Cataclean Complete Fuel System Cleaner? Cataclean Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a powerful solution designed to enhance the performance of your vehicle's fuel system. By targeting carbon deposits, varnish and other contaminants that accumulate over time, Cataclean works to improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and maintain the overall health of your engine. Ingredients of Cataclean. Solvent. The solvent in Cataclean helps dissolve and break down stubborn carbon deposits and varnish buildup in the fuel system, allowing for easier removal during the cleaning process. Combustion enhancers. These ingredients work by optimizing the fuel combustion process, resulting in improved engine performance and fuel efficiency. Catalytic agents. Cataclean contains catalytic agents that aid in the breakdown of contaminants, helping to restore the fuel system to its optimal condition. How does Cataclean work? When added to the fuel tank, Cataclean travels through the fuel system, targeting and loosening carbon deposits, varnish, and other harmful buildup that can impede engine performance. As the solution circulates through the system, it works to dissolve these contaminants, allowing them to be burned off more efficiently during regular engine operation. This cleaning process helps improve fuel combustion, reduce emissions, and restore the fuel system to its peak efficiency. Regular use of Cataclean can help prevent future buildup and keep your engine running smoothly. Benefits of using Cataclean. Using Cataclean in your vehicle's fuel system can bring about several key benefits that positively impact your engine's performance, the environment, and the longevity of your engine components. Improved engine performance. Cataclean works by cleansing the catalytic converter, fuel injectors, and other components of the fuel system, ensuring optimal operation. By removing carbon deposits and contaminants, Cataclean helps enhance engine performance, leading to improved fuel efficiency and overall drivability. With a cleaner fuel system, your engine can function more efficiently, providing smoother acceleration and better response. Emission reduction. One significant advantage of using Cataclean is its ability to reduce harmful emissions. By effectively cleaning the fuel system, Cataclean helps to lower emissions of pollutants such as hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, promoting a cleaner environment. A cleaner fuel system leads to a more complete combustion process, resulting in reduced emissions that can contribute to cleaner air quality. Extended engine life. Regular use of Cataclean can contribute to prolonging the life of your engine and its components. By keeping the fuel system clean and free from deposits, Cataclean helps prevent issues like clogging of fuel injectors and buildup in the catalytic converter. This in turn can lead to improved engine longevity and reduced wear and tear on critical engine parts. Investing in Cataclean for your vehicle can help maintain engine health over time, potentially saving you money on costly repairs and replacements in the long run. How to use Cataclean. To experience the full benefits of Cataclean, it's essential to follow the correct steps for optimal results. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of using Cataclean from preparation to application. Preparation before application. Before adding Cataclean to your vehicle's fuel system, ensure that your car is parked on a level surface. Start by removing the gas cap to relieve any pressure in the tank. It's recommended to have a nearly empty fuel tank before adding Cataclean for better dilution and efficiency. Additionally, check for any fuel leaks or other issues that may require attention before proceeding. Application process. To apply Cataclean, simply pour the entire bottle into your nearly empty fuel tank before refueling. After adding Cataclean, fill the tank with gasoline to help mix the solution thoroughly. Once the tank is full, start the vehicle and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow Cataclean to circulate through the fuel system and clean deposits effectively. By following these steps with precision, you can ensure that Cataclean effectively cleans your vehicle's fuel system, leading to improved performance and efficiency. Remember to repeat this process as recommended for regular maintenance and optimal results. After delving into the benefits of Cataclean Complete Fuel System Cleaner, it's clear that this product is a game changer when it comes to maintaining a healthy and efficient fuel system. By using this cutting-edge fuel system cleaner, car owners can effectively improve their vehicle's performance, reduce emissions, and enhance fuel efficiency. Throughout this article, we've explored how Cataclean stands out as a top-tier option for those looking to take a proactive approach to caring for their vehicle. Its simple application and fast-paced results make it a must-have for anyone seeking a smooth-running engine and optimal fuel system cleanliness. Don't miss out on the opportunity to leverage the power of Cataclean and experience the benefits firsthand. Your car will thank you for it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.